Alright, so Logitech G sent me an updated version of the G Cloud to test, and the new UI is something that it should have came out with from the very beginning. In this video, we're going to go over some of the new features as well as test a new cloud service that is now available on the G Cloud. Right out of the gate, the launcher feels smoother, more modern, and way more console-like. It's got that clean interface you would expect from something like an Xbox or a PlayStation. So what's actually new? First up, the launcher is completely revamped. You can now integrate directly with Xbox Game Pass, and yeah, it works. Deep link support means you can launch titles right from the interface without digging around. There's also a new feature system. You can now pin your most used apps and games right at the home screen. Simple but super convenient. And they added this really cool recommended area. Think of it like a curated feed, suggestions from Logitech and Xbox to help you find what to play next. It's not bad if you're feeling indecisive. And they just added support for Blacknut Cloud Gaming. So now you got another library of hundreds of games to stream if you subscribe. Now, overall, I had a really good experience. I used xCloud, I used GeForce NOW, Amazon Luna, and Blacknut, and they're all pretty good. I noticed that Amazon Luna felt like it was a little bit better this time around. I felt like GeForce NOW always did pretty well, and I was really surprised at how well Xbox Cloud Gaming worked on this device. It's been a while since I've used xCloud, but this integration, it felt pretty seamless. Now, where I think cloud gaming really shines when it comes to the casual type of games that you play, it does okay with competitive gaming. I'm not saying you can't play competitive gaming with the G Cloud, but having the thumbsticks the way they are and doing something over the cloud, if you don't have a good Wi-Fi connection or a good network connection. Now, when it comes to cloud gaming, you usually have some type of delay. You feel like the connection's a little bit off, but I did notice a significant difference this time around. Now, can you do competitive gaming with cloud gaming? Yes, you can. It's really hard on the handheld, especially just the way you don't have it full controller sticks, and you have that little bit of, like, sometimes you don't feel like you can get those fine micro movements in, but it did all right. I mean, it's definitely passable. It's great for casual games. Cloud gaming is always great for casual games. I highly recommend casual games, but the thing I love most about this thing is that it's just so flexible. I mean, this thing can connect to pretty much any gaming service that you have. It connects to Steam, it can connect to your PlayStation, it can connect to your Xbox. You have all those cloud gaming platforms that you can join. You can even play games locally. I downloaded Minecraft to it and played that pretty well, and it handled it. So this device just can do a lot. And we look at the price tag for, I think it's $299 retail at this point. Sometimes it goes on sale, but for $300, I mean, it's something to consider. I mean, it's a really good companion to a lot of other gaming platforms that you already have. I think that it's something to consider how well it works with the xCloud now. I think with the new Xbox coming out, the handheld Xbox, like, you might be able to get away with just buying Xbox Game Pass and buying this device. The way the world is now with cloud services and things like that, you don't really necessarily need the latest and greatest hardware anymore. And sometimes it might be better off for you just to get the cheaper device, play a casual game here and there, and just be on the go. I think handhelds are really mainstream now. I think handhelds are really popular because of the fact that a lot of us gamers are in that we're a little bit of older generation. I don't feel like the younger generations play video games as much as we do, and for us, we're on the go. We have a lot going on in our lives now, but we still want a game, and these handhelds just make it a lot easier for us. And with the power nowadays, you could plug in the handheld and turn it into an actual console if you wanted to. So it's a lot. I mean, you can even use Shadow PC and turn this into a full Windows computer. I've done that before as well. Plug it into a monitor, keyboard, and mouse, docking stations. You just have a lot of flexibilities with these mobile setups now. But my suggestion for the G Cloud, and I've been saying this from a while now, is that they need like a virtual machine operating system running in the background, kind of like how you have the Steam Deck. I would love to see a full Chrome OS, or see an actual like Chrome web browser that actually is the full web browser, because right now you're very limited what you can do with a device like that. But if you had that added feature, it would be a game changer. And for me, I think it's not that hard to do, especially when you consider virtualization. You don't need a lot of hardware to get it done, but maybe something to consider in the future. So I think this upgrade to the UI is great, but I think the next step would be to maybe upgrade those kind of features, make it a little bit more kind of compatible with everyday life and everyday usage. Thank you, Logitech G, for sending this update early to me for me to do some testing. I really did enjoy my time with it. and it was nice doing gaming content again. So I think you guys would like this UI update too. This is still a really good device in 2025, and I recommend it, especially that it could possibly be half the price of the new Xbox handheld coming out. This device is something that maybe you should consider. Thank you very much again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.